Just pay attention and listen to this voice note and just give me your ear, like I said, so that this voice note will make more sense to you. After the kidnap of Masnam Namodekane, many people, were confused. Some that were confused before the kidnap of Masnam Namodekane, they become more confused. So you cannot take it away from them that the confusion had been in them for a very long time. Some of them claim that yes, because they hear people talking about Biafra, they also want to talk about Biafra. Some of them, they hear, that Nigeria is not working. They feel that they see it, but they don't know what to do. So some of them don't even love Master American in the first place. They just started talking about Master American because they think that more people are now in line with, are now in line with what he believe on. But some of them that started talking about Mazanamakan don't even know what Mazanamakan represent. They don't even know what Mazanamakan stand for. They don't even know what Mazanamakan want to achieve. They know little or nothing about him. But because people are now talking about Mazanamakan, they also want to join the party. You know that kind of thing. So why am I saying this? This voice note that you are about to listen to is one of the another breed of confused people in Igbo land. People who claim that they love Biafra, they want Biafra, but how to get Biafra, how to go about it is another school of thought. And do I blame them? Yes, I do, because you have to research, you have to pay attention, you have to belong somewhere. Even Bible said that if you are not cold or hot, that that he will, God said he's going to vomit such people out, because you have to choose where you belong. You have to choose where you stand. You cannot be here and there. You are not God. It's not possible. Now this guy is against PM. He's against DUS, and he claimed that he's in support of Mazda Morgan. And I will tell you how those class of people, who created them and how they appear to exist. How many of you remember when DOS and so-called leaders were busy sacking them, and those they were sacking are those that have publicly said ill things and nonsense things about PM, about reference, and so they have blocked the way of coming back to reconcile or to make headway with PM. So they felt that going back to PM is a kind of when you spit out your saliva and you are going back to lick it. So they don't want to see as that. They choose not to support him. Not that they don't love what he's doing, but being that the DOS whom they supported have turned against them and sacked them, they choose to turn away, of course, on the DOS, of course, which is normal. I'm not saying you should trust them because they don't want it, to be honest. Now let me allow him to say it. Then we can now comment on that again, because I don't want to prolong the video. I want to bring a short video. Like I promised you that I will be talking about this recent attack to expose them, to tell you the intention and the motive and why they're doing what they're doing. Some of you feel that it's just a normal thing. It's not normal. Just listen.
All this nonsense I'm going to ndị otu chief plotter attack ya ndị otu DOS attack ya chief plotter, then the main people bụ ndị na-akpa ya bụ mkpamkpa ọmụma na-akwanye elu fuel. You think you can use Evidence TV to promote all this nonsense? Useless people, all these condemned people. You think you can use this very platform to promote them? I found a good name, if I say doesn't Chinasa Ngoru. Simon Eberima. If you want to call a spade, you call a spade. Simon Eba Bonyori. Chike doesn't Chinasa Ngoru Bondori. Nkoso Rabeze Bonyori. Fulani is working with them. Musa Masido.
Forget about working with them. They always want to have some useless backup. It's senseless and stupid comment. Now, ask this guy, what did Simon Ekpa stay from you? Nekwe, our chief of staff, innocent woman. What did she take from you? You see, some people are very mad and crazy. They are so their own idiocy is second to none. I don't like to pick fight or use some derogatory word on anybody. I just want us to call it the way it is. So don't be offended when you hear me, using this kind of word, because sometimes you need to express how you feel about some things, about some situation or circumstances that surround us. Because these people knew, then they understand what is going on. They understand the pains and agony that our people have been to, but they choose not to. They pretend. That is why somebody who claims that he's fighting for Biafra will tell you that you don't order sit at home in Enugu State after the buying of Iboja. That PM is abusing sit at home. Because only one, look, just listen, that only one person was killed. You want to lock the whole state down. That is abuse of power. But the person that shared the blood is not abuse of power. It's just normal thing to them, because these people, they see blood as like zobo. To them, human blood is zobo. These are people that are bringing freedom and the political party, making Nigeria an able call them ma. Uchechi says, some of you have seen the one of the posts that she made few weeks ago, or just a week ago, that Igbo land is a holy place, that our land despises blood sharing, and we don't. Is killing and buying people is not good, which is not good, of course. But she don't say that when government agents buy people. Have you seen Uchechi in her entire life made a post of, just to call security agents that have been killing people, that massacre people that were following her husband? Reason why I don't normally dish out on her matter, go all out on her and trying to. I have many things to say about her activities, but when you begin to say that, sometimes it sounds like you are also dragging Mas Namanakano to her nonsense. That's the only thing. But time will tell. Maybe we have to look for a way to explain it better. But I don't want to bring Oyendu Mazam Nakano to her nonsense. Now, listen to this, Ofeke. Just hear this.
The boy Fulani from Gombe, you call it spade a spade. That is compute neutral. You can't be not be a ban one is usually a banwa. If you ban one up Pukuari, it's a jury platform. You could enter no. Kawani to pick his number.
In her own word of being neutral is when you pick people that you consider that they're doing something wrong and you bash on them. That makes you neutral. So because to him now, he thinks that calling saying that PM is this and China's award is this and Chikenism is this, that it simply means that he's neutral. You are not neutral. Your stupidity is just oozing from every corner. Your stupidity oozes from every corner. You cannot tell me that you are neutral, because you said that Master Namarukano, to you now, Master Kano is the only person that knows what is right and what is wrong. Master Kano, you don't even know who you are. And the truth of the matter is that you don't even support Master Kano, because if you do, you understand between China Sanwo-Olu that you talked about, Chike Dozem, and the different prime minister, who is actually doing what Master Kano have been talking about. DOS that are fighting with the Master Kano family simply because of money. They can go at any length to fight because of money. Even if you want to drag Master Kano's family, one must also drag them now that their son or their brother is in detention. And yet you respect Oyendu and his architecture of this structure that you guys are maintaining. Then you think that somebody who built the structure will be done. You will live in a guest house or in a boys' quarter. You that a visitor will not live in the master room. Can you just imagine that? Anyway, that's a story for another day. I just want you to understand that not everybody that says Master Oyendu is actually support him or love him.
I don't deal with dead people. Then I can't even I don't our ancestors will arrest make confession. We never Biafra confession. And about a hate. And I've been able to use this very platform like you promote on in neighbor since you're not a walk. I don't know so can't you like when I won't or you stay here and shop. If you're not coming out to speak, many of you are not going at this very platform, you're not talking. For years, you know, one day you get we I am a level. And when you open on China, some more, you just solo fan. Open on the autonomous nothing like this. Sorry, this have they're not fighting for Biafra.
There's any number of idiot. Nezire Akamo. Not my idiot. Yes, I agree with you with China Saworo and the Chike Dozem. I agree with that. Yes, that's my own opinion. That's what I believe. I don't think they're fighting for Biafra. I don't believe whatever they're saying, because you cannot tell me that you get Biafra underground and all of a sudden you are in good time and dining and whining with politicians, and that will make no. To me, that's a no for me. And Mazen Nakano has never ever done that. He had the opportunity to be more closer to them than you can imagine, but he chose not to, because he knows that the ideology they have is totally different from what he himself have. So why is it so difficult for some of you to understand this? Why?
They are fighting individually. Even that he don't have any rights. He doesn't have any right. He's just one man, a Biafran citizen. These people are just Biafran citizens, but then very selfish for their own pockets. Abe will say cocoa do con de tanwe. It will cocoa de tanwa. It will when a belly fuel. It is usually super. And it from people like you.
They always pick one side of the Mazakano's broadcast and they ignore all the broadcasts. Only one they will pick. They always pick what will suit narrative, and they will run with it without minding the content of what Mazakano actually what Mazakano is fighting for. They don't care about it. They only want to. Some of them use the one that Mazakano said that anybody telling you that he's declaring Biafra is doing it on his own or something like that. Some of them use that. They forgot the content of what Mazakano was trying to address. What he was addressing, they don't want to talk about it, but just I know you can't
blind argument now one nonsense question. You know, Joe, you know, this very struggling. What if an since they judge the Muslim, you cannot be able to give data. One by one.
Like I said, they always look for a way to insult themselves. You are not God. You don't invoke curse on yourself thinking that you are cursing other people. You understand? Because you can't be judged on your own case. You have made this to be your own case. But unfortunately to you don't have the right. What you are saying is totally different from what people actually believe on. And you think that you are doing the right thing. It doesn't make sense at all. Now listen to him again, and please, if you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Click on the like button, share this message, and subscribe if you are new. And support us in any way you can. Don't ignore the fact that these people that are out to attack, they are being sponsored and they are willing to do anything to expose themselves, thinking they're exposing difference. So that should push you to click on the like button, so others will get to know that the truth, that the motive they have is totally different from what people actually want. Please like the video, and we are going to end it here. Thank you so much for your time, and God bless you. See you again on the next one. Bye bye for now.
One by one. Okay, for Chuku. Etu anu most odo is to anu abo senator of whatever new whatever we find over. Get anu they have rejected him. Etu anu that this same way no so one by since you reach the Mazin you cannot be able to give data. Chuku ga born on Chani Noko. Chuku ga born on Chani Noko one by one. Okay for Chuku. Okay for Chuku. Etu anu most reporto is to anu abo senator of whatever Newe, whatever we find over. Get anu they have rejected him. Etu anu that this same way no swear na born on Chani Noko one by one. On Chani Negonora. When you put a joy fe, put you do a joy fe, soon a joy fan, I talk it on a base, soon or base. It all like a quick is when I bone one by one, two is it and I bone one by one after the other. It all got quick is when I bone organic and when I bone one after the other. One after the other. Okay, sit down one. Before you if name your own people will reject you. Your own people will reject you. If you marry them, they will reject you. Biafrans will reject you. It's an enemy for John and last. Everything I will support the forger. You can come here, use this platform, give a promote to yourself. You say about soup, what?